Hi guys, I'm Vikram. Today we are going to talk about an evolutionary geneticist who unraveled the mysteries of Neanderthal DNA. And he determined how to extract and analyze it from 40,000 years old. So without getting any delay, we will get into this video. First of all, we have to thank him for fetching the answers to the decade full of questions like where do we come from, where do we originate, who are we, what are the important events that in history that who we really are. So you will all get a vivid answer about this. Just keep watching this video till then. He was born in 1955 at Stockholm in Sweden. His mother, chemist Karin Paabo, was escaped from Soviet invasion and arrived in Sweden as refugee after the World War II. His father, Sun Bergström, he was a biochemist. Like his son, he also became a recipient of Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1982. In 1997, he successfully reported sequencing of a Neanderthal mitochondrial DNA that was originating from a specimen that was found in Neanderthal Valley. In 2006, he announced a plan that is going to reconstruct entire genome of Neanderthal. After 16 years, without giving up on his dream, he was curious, persistent, and very rigorous. Yes, voraciously he succeeded. He has developed a method for analyzing ancient DNA and has made some other discoveries with the help of his technology. And he proved that interbreeding took place in Homo sapiens and our extinct relatives Neanderthal and the Denisovans. When he was in teen, he was interested in learning to analyze the ancient DNA appeared in his life. He was a doctoral student at Uppsala University. He secretly worked on his side project where he isolated DNA from mummies. Many other scientists has given up, but Paabo has genuine interest that all DNA can be fragmented and chemically modified. It was not easy, guys. It was a needle in the ocean. He spent 3 decades working to unravel the Neanderthal genome. And he studied mummies and extinct animals before focusing on that Neanderthal. First, he focused on DNA found in mitochondria, a part of cell that contains its own genetic material. Because the large number of DNA from a large number of copies can be found, the chances of success increase. As he think he successfully obtained the first gene sequence from a Neanderthal and from a 40,000 years old piece of bone. And then he compared it with DNA from humans and chimpanzees, was able to show that Neanderthal DNA is unique. Was the work done? No. Here the next challenge was to analyze Neanderthal DNA from cell nucleus. And here the most genetic information is found. By this result, the analysis shows that lost common ancestor of Neanderthal and modern humans have lived about 800,000 years ago. Here the new analysis came. The research showed that Neanderthals and Homo sapiens interbred between tens of thousands of years ago. A small bone fragment found in Denisova cave in Siberia. Paabo obtained genetic material belonging to an unknown hominid species that was named Denisova. It was clear that interbreeding also took place between Homo sapiens and Denisova. Modern humans in some areas carry up 6% Denisova DNA. We don't know, thanks to Sante paabo research, that we carry some of their genes. This research also led to identification of genes that are unique to humans. The award-winning scientific discoveries are apparently in Pablo's blood. Some experts wonder whether Pablo's research had really garnered them to Nobel Prize. I think it matters because our ancestry is what is actually affecting our health. And he has opened a new window to understanding the human disease. Finally, we are going to end the video with a book. In 2014, he wrote a book called Neanderthal Man in Search of Lost Genomes. In that book, he wrote he is a bisexual. He assumed he was a gay until he met Linda Vigilant. And thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.